This turned out a little bit larger than I expected. When designing Lego models, there's always a question of how detailed do you make it? Like when comparing this to the real thing, there's lots of little subtle differences like the number of holes, some stuff about the shaping, but the overall effect is there. It is an ancient telephone. That does make things easier for designers. You can just leave some stuff out and our brains will fill it in, but it can be a fun challenge to make things as detailed as possible. So I think I want to try that. I'm going to make an animal model that is as detailed as possible. We want to get every little thing accurate. I think I'll make a cat because I just like cats. And I usually say to start with the most important part of the model when designing because that's what's going to be recognizable, right? So what is going to be the most important part of this highly detailed cat? I'd say the most important part for most living creatures is the mitochondria. So we're going to start there. Look, we all know that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, creating ATP via the Krebs cycle. It's crucial for metabolism in complex creatures, blah, blah, blah. But when looking at diagrams of it, it's just kind of some squiggly bits inside of a tube. So we build two of these guys, put together a structure of squiggly bits, add a few more ingredients, DNA, ribosomes, granules. Give it a little shake. We can also take the batteries out of our ancient phone and pop them in here, just, you know, to make sure the house is powered. And then we'll slip our whole structure inside the cell wall. This turned out a little bit larger than I expected. And there we have our Lego mitochondria, the first step of building our highly detailed cat. Follow for part 2.